if your favourite t-shirt graphics could last forever? No cracking, no peeling, and no fading. And what if it wasn't just a shirt, but a piece of wearable art as unique as you are? Hi, I'm James Novak, and I've been 3D printing for over 15 years. I've seen how it can transform industries, and now I'm bringing it to the humble t-shirt. It's become so cheap to stick graphics onto clothing, the market is flooded with tees that all look the same, designed by creators using AI to churn out hundreds of new designs every week. That's why I'm launching 3D Print My Shirt. Not just a Kickstarter campaign, but the start of a revolution. We're combining custom 3D prints with clothing, and we're kicking things off with a limited edition numbered t-shirt that showcases what we're all about. This is more than just a shirt, it's the future of self-expression. But why combine 3D printing with clothing? Well, firstly, 3D printed graphics don't crack, fade, or peel. A ton of R&D time has gone into prototyping and testing how to get the strongest bond to fabric without using glues or adhesives of any kind. Secondly, our prints create awesome 3D effects, especially when we combine them with unique materials and colours. For our limited edition tee, we're using a multicolored material that appears to change colour from different angles. And the text is one of our custom designed fonts that accentuates all the material colours and literally pops off the shirt. Everything is made to order, and you get to choose exactly what we make. Each shirt is numbered, there will never be any more than 100. Choose a black or white tee, pick your size, then tell us what text you want 3D printed on it. It could be your nickname, hometown, favourite catchphrase, anything you like. But this is just the beginning. Backing this project isn't just about getting a shirt, it's about being part of something bigger. Funds from this campaign will go toward producing your custom tees and launching our website, where anyone can customise their own 3D printed shirts, hats, hoodies and more. It will be a marketplace for those with more than 2 dimensions. Everyone who supports our campaign will get a 10% discount voucher to use when we launch the full website. Join me and make 3D Print My Shirt your home of custom apparel in 3 dimensions.